In this video, I'll show you how to insert your SIM card into your iPhone 15. Could be the 15, the 15 Pro, Pro Max. No matter which version you have, it works the same way. So here I have my SIM card and this is my iPhone. What you need to do is, you see on the left side over here, you have the SIM card tray. It's where the small hole is. In the box with your iPhone, you should get this small metal tool. That is a SIM card eject tool. If you don't have one, no worry, don't need to stress out, because you can simply use a paper clip or a needle to do the same exact job as this one. So what you need to do is to insert it in the hole here, like this, and then you're going to apply some pressure. Let me show you like this. I'll simply push it a bit, don't need to be very brutal, just a tiny bit until the whole tray pops out. Then you can put this down and take it with your fingers, like this. We can put the iPhone away for a second and take your SIM card over here. So how to insert it? Well, there's only one way you can do it, and it's very easy. So this is my SIM card over here. And you notice that one of the corner, this one here on the top left corner, is cutted, is not 90 degrees as the other ones. Okay? If we check the tray over here, the same thing is happening. You see, one of the corner here is cut out, not at 90 degrees. We just need to align it. So you can place it over here and you see, this is the cutout corner, lower right side. And lower right side is the small cutout on the tray. We're just going to put it over like this. And to know that you did a good job, you just need to take the tray, and the SIM card should stay absolutely flush. You should not see it at all going above or under if we look at from the side like this. Then take the tray, take your iPhone, and to know how to align them, you see there's a small hole here, and the tray itself has a small hole. What you need to do is simply align those and push gently the tray in, push with your finger, and then just do this so the tray stays flush. Pass your finger, and if you can't feel it anymore, it's perfect. It means the SIM card is installed. Now, next step, unlock your phone. Just wait about a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and you should see your carrier, your network carrier name on the top over here. If you don't see anything, if nothing changes, don't worry. You just need to restart your iPhone. And to do so, you just need to press the power button here and the volume down button, both at the same time. I'll do it during 2 seconds, 1, 2, until you see the screen, and then you're gonna slide to power off. Wait about 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and then we're going to power back on the iPhone. The same way, press the power button and the volume down about 3-4 seconds until you see the Apple logo appearing. Then you can release them, and you just have to wait until the unit powers back on, and this should make your iPhone search for the network of your SIM card, and everything should work properly. So this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below if you have any comments, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.